Hello folks, it's Duke here from GeoFolks. Today we're going to work on multiplying by an exponent. So a real world example would be, what if we need to convert from square meters to square miles? So I'll Google search it and I'll pull up our conversion factor. And so we know 1 square meter is equal to this amount of square miles. And so what this means is we can multiply it by this factor and convert square meters to square miles. But the factor has an exponent, so I'll show you how to do that using the field calculator. So we'll right click on a field, hit calculate fields, and we'll enter this equation in. So notice this equation has 2 asterisks instead of 1 between the 10 and the -7. These 2 asterisks represent a exponent, and 1 asterisk represents just regular multiplication. So you can see that we're multiplying by 3.861 times 10 to the -7th power. Again, the 2 asterisks represent raising to this power, aka our exponent. Once we have that, we can click OK. And you can see we've converted to square miles. Quick Google search will allow us to check if we're at least in the ballpark or if our conversion was correct. And so if we look up the land area in square miles for West Virginia, we get this value. And we can see the values actually are close. So our conversion was performed correctly. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content.